Hey, this is Mr. YIZO Jones Sr. What if I told you that the book of Proverbs can make you successful? Want to know how? Stay tuned. Well, today is chapter 2. We're going to be discussing two topics. Well, the first topic, we're going to be going into a deeper meaning of who and what wisdom is and what wisdom can do for you. And the second topic we're going to be discussing in chapter 2, staying away from sexual immorality. Yeah, that's right. Staying away from having sex outside of marriage. It's going to be good. Here we go.
Proverbs chapter 2. My son, if thou wilt receive my words and hide my commandments with thee, so that thou incline thy ear to wisdom and apply thy heart to understanding. Yea, if thou criest after knowledge and liftest up thy voice for understanding, if thou seekest her as silver and searchest for her as for hid treasures, then shalt thou understand the fear of the Lord and find the knowledge of God. For the Lord giveth wisdom. Out of his mouth cometh knowledge and understanding. He laid up sound wisdom for the righteous. He is a buckler to them that walk uprightly. He keepeth the paths of judgment and preserveth the ways of his saints. Then shalt thou understand righteousness and judgment and equity, yea, every good path. When wisdom entereth into thine heart, and knowledge is pleasant unto thy soul, discretion shall preserve thee, understanding shall keep thee, to deliver thee from the way of the evil man, from the man that speaketh forth things, who leave the paths of uprightness, to walk in the ways of darkness, who rejoice to do evil, and delight in the frowardness of the wicked, whose ways are crooked, and they froth in their path.
Now, wisdom, you really got to search for. You got to search for like searching for gold. You know what I'm saying? But when you do find wisdom, I promise you, it'll make you feel real good. And also, it's priceless. It's way more worth than money. Because money comes and goes. That's why it's called currency. Because it flows here and it flows there. But wisdom, you can have it. It's forever. You can have it forever. You can apply wisdom to any situation of your life. And can't no money or can't nobody or no thing that you desire in your heart can compare to it. Also, verse 5 states that once you seek wisdom and seek out wisdom, you know what I'm saying, and find wisdom, then you will understand, what it means to fear the Lord. Then you'll find out knowledge. Now, you remember back in chapter 1, right? That verse 7, when I said, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Yeah, that verse. I know you remember. Yeah, that verse. Verse 7. Go back and check it out. Also, wisdom will protect you, as it says in verse 12, from all of those people that try to run game on you. That try to con you out of money. Get rich quick schemes, or in the streets, somebody try to cheat you out of your money and stuff like this. See, wisdom will protect you over those things, and you will see their game coming before they even approach you with what they trying to do. All right, we're finna move right along, y'all.
To deliver thee from the strange woman, even from the stranger which flattered with her words, which forsaketh the guide of her youth, and forgetteth the covenant of her God. For her house inclineth unto death, and her paths unto the dead. None that go unto her return again, neither take they hold of the paths of life, that thou mayest walk in the way of good men, and keep the paths of the righteous. For the upright shall dwell in the land, and the perfect shall remain in it. But the wicked shall be cut off from the earth, and the transgressors shall be rooted out of it.
Now, I'm going to discuss about wisdom will protect you from an evil woman. Look, let me tell y'all something. See, a woman that's married and then want to have sex and lay up with you, see, you got to understand, it ain't just about having the sex for her and then I just had sex with her so you can go brag and do this and that and the third. No, let me tell you something. See, the Lord, he don't like that. It's really an abomination to him. He hates that because when a man gets married to a woman, see, that's a covenant That's a covenant that the Lord put upon that man and that woman. And if that woman go and cheat on her husband, she basically cheating on the Lord. You see what I'm saying? And also, wisdom tells us that a woman like that, she has all type of evil spirits on her. You know, she's already in the gates of hell. She already, you know, surrounded by evil spirits. So you going and laying up in her, you see what I'm saying? You bringing them evil spirits on yourself. And then you wonder why wrong things are going on in your life or why all this bad luck, even though it's not no such thing as bad luck. It's just evil spirits trying to work against you because you have sinned. See, the Lord don't play about fornication. And I'm going to be coming up with a video about that, you know, because when you fornicate, you are disconnecting yourself from the Lord. See, the Lord, when he comes in you and he's dealing with you and you dealing with him, he's living inside of your body. His Holy Ghost is living inside of your body. You know, this is where he resides at. So when you fornicating, having sex outside of marriage, and also having sex with another man's wife, you see, you breaking yourself from the Lord and you allowing Satan to come and destroy your soul. Yeah, the feeling might be feeling good for your flesh. See, that's your flesh talking. But when you do that, your soul is at stake and your soul will be doomed into eternal fire. You see what I'm saying? So you got to be very careful. You got to be very careful, especially in sexual immorality. You do not be want to fornicate and messing with another man's wife. See, the Lord designed for a man to have his own wife. All right, thank you for your time, and I will see you tomorrow with chapter 3. God bless you.